Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, I showed you the descending triangle and outlined a possible breakout scenario to the upside. I told you that breakout traders should wait for a clean move above 119K to consider confirmation. And that's exactly what we saw today, Sunday rolling into Monday. I personally scaled into a long trade between 119.1 and 119.3K. At first, I thought I got caught in a fakeout, but right before recording, Bitcoin's price action swiped through the entire liquidation leverage cluster around 119.5K, nearly touching 120K. That was my target for July, and I already shared this level back in my June videos. So far, Bitcoin is showing a 10.86% gain from the July monthly open. That already beats the median return of 9.6% when comparing past bull years like 2017 and 2021. In those years, July printed around 18% gains. Applying that same logic, a move to 126.4K from July's open at $107,171 would not be surprising. But just like I've been saying in the past two videos, a bigger dip is coming. And if price reaches 126K or slightly higher, that could be the level where it finally lands, potentially dropping back down to the 109 to 110K zone. That's where I'll be watching closely. Looking at the one-week liquidation heat map, we can now see that the upper cluster around 119.5K has been fully cleared. The next notable zone above us sits at roughly 121.9K. Below us, heat is building around 116.6K and 115.8K. Let's see how Monday plays out and whether we get another round of strong ETF inflows. If institutions are still chasing the breakout, we might see another wave of FOMO-driven buying, pushing price even higher. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.